Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In the last video, we walked you guys through a brand new PC build for my sister who edits a lot of videos. One of the final steps to building a new PC is installing your operating system. That's what we're going to cover in this video. We will be installing Windows 11 to this computer using a USB flash drive. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, we're on the final stages of our new Windows 11 installation on our new PC. So I'll go with United States for my region. We'll go with US for my keyboard input. I'll skip an additional input, and then it's asking me to connect to a network. So I'll go ahead and it's asking me to connect to a network. I'm going to hit install driver. So let me go ahead and get the Ethernet connected. Okay, I just plugged in the Ethernet connection. Let's hit next. All right, here we want to go ahead and name our device. My sister requested that I name this device Eclipse. I'll hit next. Here I'm going to select for personal use. Here I'm going to enter my sister's full name. Here I'm going to create a password. All right, guys, we are officially inside of Windows 11. Super easy installation once we get our computer booted from the BIOS. It wants us to go ahead and install the Razor software, which I will. But the main thing that I wanted to show you is how to actually activate your software. It says here that we need to activate Windows before we can personalize our PC. So I'll press activate now. Okay, so it says here Windows isn't activated. I'm in settings, which we can get to by hitting the Windows key and hitting settings. And then if I hit activate now, here we'll be able to press change product key, and then this is where we can actually enter said product key. If you purchase Windows directly from Indigo Software, we will provide you with this product key via email as soon as you purchase. We'll blur this on the screen, but we'll go ahead and enter our product key in full. All right, my product key is entered. I'll hit next, and I'll press activate. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we covered, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have all those links in the description as well. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas of your own, we'd love to know what those are. Most viewer commented video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.